Good morning. Happy Sabbath day, everybody. People park right there, outside and outside. So the solution is, let me open it up more. No, and these rollers move around. You see how that moves? Wedding receptionist or anything that you want privacy. That's what I use for my sewing room because I can go like this. And now I can have the air flowing. I don't have to have a little table here with a light and their bed. You're sharing with other people and you can put that at kitty corner. Me. And I also redecorated my whole, and she's loving, she's been, I'm not getting sponsored with you where I purchased this at in Canvas. You can buy some really beautiful, like a see-through color, effect here. Like with a, let's see, let me put this one like that.